Ragnar thought it would be funny to just jump in a big ton bag of chippings, wood chippings. What are you doing, you plonker?
What are you doing, plonker?
Lincoln,
What?
don't copy what I'm saying. Oh, in it again, let.
Oh my gosh. Ragnar, what's this? What's this, Ragnar?
Come on,
What's this?
come on, let's go. You can't find it now, can you? Did you see where it went, Link? Did you see where the ball went?
Yeah.
Too good at this game. Right, I think we better go back soon. Yeah, I could have probably caught that. Oh, Ragnar. Shh. Link, mate, you are so loud.